Hi everybody, I'm Luis Fernando Zarpelon, coordinator of the medicine course at the Universidade Federal da Integração Latino-Americana in Foz do Iguaçu, Brazil. It is my pleasure to inform you about two interesting contributions to healthcare science. First, two German researchers, Franz Persold from the University of Ulm and Christel Weiss from the University of Heidelberg, developed together with Brazilian colleagues a new method to describe healthcare outcomes under real-world conditions like on Earth. This new method will be published in the Journal of Pragmatic and Observational Research. Second, our university, UNILA, will offer different courses on clinical economics, a new approach to solve medical, ethical, economic, and legal problems of healthcare delivery. Randomized controlled trials are considered the gold standard in clinical research. These experimental studies have to be completed under ideal study conditions, like ideal world. Otherwise, it will not be possible to generate reliable results. For healthcare decisions, we urgently need an additional method. This new method is needed to describe the results we observe when we diagnose and treat our patients under real-world conditions, like real world. 20 years ago, when I was working as a hematologist and medical oncologist, I started to critically analyze if the burden and side effects caused by cancer treatments, which have to be tolerated by our patients, are really balanced by the benefits these patients gain from our therapies. My Canadian teacher, David Osaba, suggested to use the phrase clinical economics to describe this new way of thinking. I soon realized that the decisions we doctors make under day-to-day conditions are influenced by the existing disease, by the available treatment options, and by the patient's as well as the doctor's preferences. Under day-to-day conditions, there is no room for experiments. Experiments are essential to make progress, but experiments are different from healthcare and require very special conditions such as randomized controlled trials. These considerations of clinical economics are important for medical education and the study, which will be published in the Journal of Pragmatic and Observational Research, and is an important part of the concept of clinical economics. Because of this, UNILA decided to offer different courses in clinical economics. It's a new field in medicine that is not focused on monetary costs, but is mainly concerned about the patient's benefit. As coordinator of the medicine course at UNILA, I invite Franz Persold and Christel Weiss to lead this initiative of clinical economics. We encourage students and teachers from any science-related area to participate in our courses and research projects to widen their perspectives to improve the outcomes in healthcare.